Hello everyone. Welcome back to Wellness by Korean Doctor. In my last video, we talked about waking up your brain with your hands. Today, I want to talk about something you do for 1/3 of your life: sleeping. Did you know that while you are asleep, your brain is working harder than ever? It is not just resting, it is cleaning. Imagine a dishwasher washing dirty dishes at night. Your brain does exactly the same thing. It washes away the toxic waste that piled up during the day. This waste includes Beta-Amyloid, the main cause of Alzheimer's dementia. But here is the shocking truth. Depending on how you sleep, this cleaning system can either work perfectly or fail completely. If you wake up feeling heavy and foggy every morning, your brain might be full of trash right now. Today, I will teach you the best sleeping position to detox your brain and prevent dementia. It's a simple change, but it can save your memory. Before I tell you the posture, you need to understand the glymphatic system. It sounds difficult, but think of it as the night janitor of your brain. Our body has a lymphatic system to remove waste. But the brain is special. It doesn't have lymphatic vessels. Instead, it uses cerebrospinal fluid. Let's call it brain water. When you fall into a deep sleep, your brain cells actually shrink in size. They create space between them. Then, this clean brain water rushes in like a high-pressure hose, washing away the toxins. This discovery was huge in neurology. It means sleep is not just about energy recovery. It is a physical cleaning process. If this janitor doesn't work well, the waste remains. Over 10-20 years, this waste turns into plaque, killing your brain cells. That is how Alzheimer's begins. So the question is, how can we help this janitor work better? The answer is gravity. Let's talk about the worst positions first. Are you sleeping on your back or on your stomach? First, sleeping on your back, supine position. Many people think this is good for the spine, but for the brain, it's not the best. Why? Because gravity pulls your tongue and soft tissues backward. This narrows your airway. It causes snoring and sleep apnea. When you stop breathing during sleep, oxygen levels drop. Without oxygen, the glymphatic system stops working. The cleaning stops. Studies show that people with sleep apnea have a much higher risk of dementia. Next, sleeping on your stomach. Prone position. This is the worst for your neck and spine, and it compresses your chest, making it hard to breathe deeply. If you can't breathe deeply, the brain water cannot pump effectively. So, if you sleep in these positions, you are making it hard for your brain to clean itself. So, what is the winner? Research published in the Journal of Neuroscience suggests that the lateral position, sleeping on your side, is the most efficient for brain cleaning. In studies, the removal of amyloid beta was significantly faster when sleeping on the side compared to the back or stomach. Why? It seems that this position allows the brain water to flow most freely with gravity and the pumping of your heart. This is why most animals, dogs, cats, even wild animals, sleep on their sides. It is nature's design. Now, you might ask, left side or right side? As a doctor, I recommend the left side. Sleeping on your left side has extra benefits. It helps digestion because of the shape of your stomach. It also improves blood circulation to the heart. So try to start on your left side. But simply turning to the side is not enough. You need the right support. If your pillow is too low or too high, your neck bends and the water pipe to your brain gets kinked. You need a pillow that fills the gap between your ear and your shoulder. Your spine should be a straight line. Here is my secret tip: the shrimp posture. Curl your legs slightly like a shrimp or a baby in the womb. Put a pillow between your knees. This aligns your hips and pelvis, making it very comfortable to stay on your side all night. Many of my patients say, "Dr. Kim, my back hurts when I sleep on my side." That is because one leg falls over. Please, put a cushion between your knees tonight. You will feel like you are floating on a cloud. Let's summarize. Tonight, lie on your left side. Make sure your pillow supports your neck straight. Put a cushion between your knees. And imagine your brain being washed clean with fresh water. Sleep is not a waste of time. It is the most active time for your brain health. Just changing your posture costs $0, but the result is priceless. If you want to know more about keeping your brain young, check out my previous video about hand exercises. Sleep well, detox your brain, and wake up fresher tomorrow. I am Dr. Kim. Good night and sweet dreams.